There is a quiet revolution happening right now across Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, where short-form content is becoming faster, deeper, and strangely hypnotic. These videos feel like they are whispering directly to your subconscious, using punchy, visually gripping storytelling that is rooted in genuine psychological research. The most shocking part is that top creators are leveraging AI to handle the heavy lifting, allowing them to scale this style of content without burning out. If you are running a Faceless page, a personal brand, or a business channel, mastering this formula can fundamentally shift your reach and engagement numbers. We are going to break down the exact workflow that turns academic research into high-performing dark-style content, with a specific focus on using Vizard to save hours of editing time every single week. This style works perfectly for the psychology niche, but it is just as effective for philosophy, wealth, body language, or hidden history if you know how to adapt the source material. The first step is essential. Stop guessing and start using real research, because audiences have a sixth sense for fake, made-up takes. Head over to Google Scholar and dig into peer-reviewed studies, finding abstracts that discuss specific behaviors like decision-making or personality traits. These papers are the gold standard for building authority, and they provide the raw, provocative material you need to craft a truly compelling narrative. Once you have your findings, step 2 is feeding that dense information into ChatGPT with a very specific, restrictive prompt. Tell the AI to summarize only from your source, avoid hallucinations, and generate 4 to 6 blunt, punchy lines that can serve as a viral hook. Always ensure your prompt includes instructions to cite the study title or year in line, keeping your script credible while maintaining that edgy, provocative tone. Step 3 requires studying the big players, so find the top 3 performing videos in your niche and download their transcripts. Analyze where their cuts land, how they layer their audio, and exactly how long their hooks are to understand the rhythm that keeps viewers trapped. Feed those successful transcripts into your ChatGPT project as stylistic examples. Then ask it to write your new script to match that proven cadence. Now we move to audio, and this is critical. Avoid generic, robotic text-to-speech tools that immediately break the immersion of your audience. I highly recommend using Hume.ai because it excels at capturing nuanced, emotional intonation that sounds authentically human and chillingly dramatic. If Hume is not in your budget, ElevenLabs is a great alternative for clarity. But always prioritize voices that can act the emotion rather than just reading the text. Step 4 is assembling your visuals, and while this used to take hours, we can now use smart keyword strategies to find the perfect B-roll. Pinterest is an incredibly underrated goldmine for aesthetic B-roll, but you need to use the right descriptors to find those dark, hypnotic clips. Instead of basic terms, ask ChatGPT to generate precise search phrases for each sentence, like surreal shadowed portrait or cinematic hand tremble. When you find these clips, always be mindful of copyright and licensing, opting for content that allows reuse whenever possible to keep your channel safe. Step 5 is editing with intention, and CapCut remains a fantastic tool for mapping these intense clips to your audio timeline. Start by setting your mood with ambient bass and sharp sound effects, as these audio cues provide the immediate tension needed for a strong hook. Apply consistent color grading and a vignette to your footage because creating a signature look across your videos helps with brand recognition. But here is the real secret for scaling. While CapCut is great for manual editing, Vizard is the tool that automates the hardest part of the process. Vizard effectively acts as your autopilot, scanning long-form content to identify the exact moments that have the highest potential for viral reach. Instead of manually chopping videos and timing every single clip, you simply upload your long footage and let the platform suggest the best segments for you. It even includes an integrated content calendar, allowing you to manage your publishing schedule across multiple platforms from a single dashboard. The beauty of this stack is that it consolidates what used to be a fragmented workflow, transcription, editing, and scheduling, into one unified pipeline. This dramatic reduction in manual labor matters when you are trying to post 10 to 20 high-quality clips every single week. To get the most out of Vizard, feed it your long footage after you have finalized your ChatGPT script so it can sync the clips perfectly to your narrative. Maintain a content calendar mindset by marking which clips are experiments, which are evergreen, and which parts of a series you want to highlight. Remember, no AI stack will instantly guarantee viral hits if your core content is boring, so focus your energy on the script and the hook. This workflow is all about compounding, using AI to accelerate your production so you have more time to iterate on what actually connects with your audience. If you want to see this in action, pick a niche like relationships or dark history, build one test script, and run it through this pipeline to see the results. The goal is to multiply your experiments, because the more high-quality hooks you test, the faster you will find the path to growth. Keep experimenting. Focus relentlessly on those hooks and let the automation handle the heavy lifting while you focus on the creative direction. If you want more of these deep dive walkthroughs on voice tuning, prompt engineering, or specific Vizard onboarding steps, just let me know. Until next time, keep creating, keep iterating, and start building that content engine today.